Hi
guys, welcome to our YouTube channel called Fidget Sisters, and we'll do fidget trading in all the videos. So, let's start. My sister is going to go first. What is she going to? Oh my gosh. I'm going to offer this board game. Except, oh my gosh, I got it. This is so pretty.
Wait, can I offer these?
Yeah, sure.
I'll offer this dimple.
Can you add? Because this is like, I love it.
Okay. These?
Okay.
Okay. I got this dimple.
I got these two fidgets.
I love this.
What would you offer for this mini poppet?
Oh, that mini poppet. This changing color. Okay. There you go.
I just told her that because she likes to pretend this is magical, so I just told her that we can't do that. So, okay, accept. I got this.
These ginormous squishballs.
That's just a balloon.
It's a ginormous squishball.
It's a homemade balloon.
What are you going to offer for these ginormous board games?
Well, we'll offer this rare snail tie-dye puppet.
Add.
Fine, I'll offer this rare turtle puppet.
Okay, I need you to add.
Oh, fine. I guess I'll add this. Let's see. What do I have? Oh, I guess I'll add the snake.
It's broken.
Yeah, but still can use the color.
Okay. No!
Oh my goodness. Chill. What will you offer for this infinity cube? You traded me this, but like I already have one, so you can offer.
What can I offer for you?
I'll offer this infinity cube.
Okay, yes.
Oh my gosh, guys, I got the snake.
It.
Oh, National Day is coming soon.
Yeah.
In Singapore.
This one got some of white and some
What will we
of
offer
red.
for this Octangle solid purple? And it's super good quality, guys. Listen. Super good. Oh my gosh, accept.
Accept.
But she just traded me this, and that wasn't even fair, and it's so nice. What will you offer for my bubble tea poppet?
Oh, this.
Okay.
Okay.
I just got
I got that. What's this?
what will you offer
You
for
love it. I like it.
this Planet
I like
Dimple? It's super rare.
Oh my god. We have to offer like all of these. Even
Oh my-
the pink monkey.
Sure.
Sure. I got these.
Guys, these are
it's my
so
dream
awesome.
fidget.
I'm going for this dimple digit. I
that.
love dimples. I love small dimples.
These two.
Oh, sure.
You just got scammed. It's dirty. The other one.
Oh my gosh, she scammed me. Let's see, what will she offer for all of these monkey noodles?
Oh my god. Can I offer the pink monkey?
I'm sure, why not?
Offer these.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I love fidget cubes. You're so fun, even though I already have one. This is not for trade. I just wanted to show you guys. This is super fun. This is a snapper. And the suction cups are super
Okay.
nice. Okay, you
try.
can try, but don't take it. Trade. What will you offer for this, my 2 mini poppet?
That one's dirty.
Yeah, so it's just, you can still use the poppet.
Yeah. I only want to offer these.
Okay.
I'm very little poppets. Just want to offer these.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
I got my double digit back.
I
This
got
is
these.
so fun.
It's so fun and it's so good quality. You know, I think it's not gonna be for trade. It's not gonna be for trade.
What do you offer for these two?
Oh, I guess.
You know what?
I
Just the
need
pink
to
one.
Offer these.
You're so under.
These.
Add. you're so under, sis.
Please.
Okay.
No, decline.
I guess I get to keep this.
Yeah. You get a keep it.
Okay, let's see
For
what.
these ginormous fish box.
I'll have 2 Rubik's Cubes.
And it's ginormous squish.
Fine, I'll add this. This Fidget cube. They're all cubes. I
Oh,
just.
fun. Look at the balloon.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I'm really scared of pop still. So I'm gonna just give it to her for free.
Yeah.
What will you offer for these, my 2 biggest poppets?
Oh my god, guys.
She's off camera. She's choosing her fidget. Add! Are you kidding me? You're so under. Add! Add. 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 You're so under. This is so huge.
Oh my god, guys, what should I offer?
Okay!
Okay.
Guys, I just got the fish poppet that I love.
Can I offer the fish poppet?
Sure. Why not?
Okay. I'm gonna
Offer big.
Wait, can I? Can I? Okay. I'll offer these
Okay.
two. Okay.
I got these 2 giant poppets back.
I got this fish poppet.
I'm gonna try to scam her.
You're gonna try to scam me.
No.
I heard it.
Offer this. It's super nice and good.
And dirty.
No.
Hmm.
Tie-dye.
Oh my god. What should I offer? These monkey noodles.
Okay.
Okay.
I just got another monkey noodle and
I
it's
can't see
texture.
And someone can squish.
Love it. This Fidget Cube is so amazing. So offer like all of these cubes. Guys, these are all cubes.
Put that off camera, okay?
Yeah, she's
Oh.
off camera, but never mind. I'm offering her a lot of cubes, so it's gonna be What? Are you kidding me?
Yay. Oh my gosh, guys. I got so many cubes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who is that?
Mommy,
I think it's Gaga. Gaga has skin like that, right?
what will you offer for all my monkey noodles? What will you offer for all my monkey noodles?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Plus this poppet.
Oh my god, I don't want the pop, I only want the monkey noodles.
Okay.
All these.
Add, you're so under. These are a lot of monkey noodles.
Hi. An offer.
I want that. Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys, I got all these.
Can I offer one? Can I offer the purple and blue monkey noodle? Purple. Purple
Yeah.
and green. Oh my god, just do this for free. Get me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mal colors if you know the sentence. Let's see what she'll offer for this tie-dye poppet.
Oh.
It's color changing and it's really rare. There's like none of them left anymore.
Only
This
one.
is like none of them left anymore.
Then I'll take these. Not these.
Yes, why not? No trading back, okay? These are no trading back, okay?
Wait, what? It's broken.
No trade backs.
She scammed me. got scammed.
I'm a scammer.
I got Empire teeth.
Don't show them that. That's freaky.
I'm gonna bite you with my Empire teeth. Ah!
They're gonna buy octopus. What do you offer for this octopus?
Okay.
Add! You're
Changing
so...
color.
Okay, whatever.
Yay! You just got scammed. It's broken.
I don't care. It still pops.
Yeah, I can turn out the window.
Okay, then. You just throw it back to bed. Purple, turn pop it, turn pop it.
My bedroom. I'm not thinking about
She's off camera, guys.
this.
Come on camera, sis. Come on camera. Come on camera.
Where?
Okay.
My nose. Ow.
Bye, guys.
Bye.